Hey, what's up guys? We are going on a road trip and I'm gonna bring you with me. But before I do, I'm gonna share with you what I bring in my lunchbox. And the good part of going on a road trip is that you can bring whatever you want to. And being a healthy woman that I am, well, I do prepare my lunch. So I'm gonna switch the camera and I'll show you exactly what I do. Bye. All right guys, so here we are. So I am preparing a quinoa salad. So I am actually cooling them down. I did pre-cut my veggies. These ones are going to be extras if I really need to. I did pre-cut some papayas. I'm going to bring some apples as well. This one too, I'm just going to pre-cut them later on. In my cooler, I do have some soups because at night it's always good to have a little bit of soup or something warm depending on the weather, especially right now. I did bought some tuna just in case. I don't think I'm gonna bring them, but you know, we never know. I did bring my a little bit of sweets. I don't know if I'm gonna eat them, but they're there in case. A couple of tortillas. That's too much, but you know, I'll separate that later on. And of course, I need my protein. I like to toast, you know, make a saute of the chicken. I do have here some garlic mushrooms and of course my greens. So I basically prepared for pretty much 2 days or maybe 3 max. In between that, you know, of course, you might wanna have like a good breakfast and a good lunch or dinner, whatever. So I'll go to the restaurant, but if not, you know, I'm pretty much set for 2 days. I do bring my kettle with me because I do love to have my own coffee or tea in the hotel rooms. Depends where you are, you know, it's always good to have your kettle with you. And yeah, so guys, tomorrow is another day and I'll see you on the road. Hey, what's up guys? So in this part of the video, it's my favorite one. It's actually preparing my gears for my adventure. I'll show you what I have actually. So to start, of course, my famous Sony camera, and it is mounted to my Tamron lens. So those two, they're always together. I will bring my zoom lens just in case. So this one is a Sony lens and it's a 70 to 350 zoom lens. It's pretty cool. So if you guys want to have more information regarding this, let me know and I'll do something for you guys. I'm gonna bring a remote just in case. We never know, and it's so small, so it doesn't matter. Of course, extra batteries. It's so important, especially when you're going hiking on the mountains. You never know. You never know. And I'll bring an ND filter. That one too, you never know. And of course, the last but not least, my famous tripod. And you guys. I'll bring an extra cell phone in case something happens. Of course, the mics, they're always important when I'm recording videos. And there you go. So you have it. And don't forget, it's always good to have a little extra SD card and some little, you know, tissue to clean your camera. So, and there you have it guys. So I'm set for success and I'm looking forward for my adventure. So guys, stay tuned for my next video where I'll probably take you on the road. All right, bye guys. So see you soon. Bye. So let's do this. Hey, what's up guys? So it's a wrap. We're hitting the road right now, so I'm expecting to be in Nova Scotia. Hey guys, in this part of the video, I was just waking up from a really good nap. So as you can imagine, I drove all night and I was able to find a gas station to actually take a nap and rest as a good old road tripper. And that day was the morning, so I decided to really grab a coffee and go. Hey, what's up my beautiful people? So good morning to everyone, and guess what, we are in Halifax. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys. From Halifax. Woo! Hey guys, in this part of the video, I was just so happy to arrive to Halifax. I did go to the hotel, but I was a little bit too early, so I decided to go to Peggy Cove. Hey, what's up guys? So at this moment, I am going to Peggy Cove, and guess what? There's a lot of curves on this road, so I'm gonna try to show you. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of spots that I can just stop and take pictures right now. But if I do that, I will never get to Peggy Cove. So I'll just keep going. But whenever I'll come back to the hotel, I think I'm gonna stop. Oh wow. So yeah. We are at Peggy Cove. It is just stunning. It's beautiful. I'm going to show you around. The city is beautiful. I'm going to walk around. I'm going to take off my camera and I'm going to bring you along with me. Hi guys, so this is just the first part of my video. I did do a POV. If you want to look, I will link it below. But in the meantime, this is only the first part, and you know guys, it was such a beautiful moment that I will link below the POV so you can see the full video of my photo shoot and walking around the city. But after that, guys, I went to the hotel, and as you can see, the place is beautiful. I didn't need it much. I just needed a good time to sleep, and the place was wonderful. If you want to have more information about it, I will link below all the details of the place.